In this video, we will look at adding Formative through Schoology. One of the benefits for using this method is that it gives students a central location to access all their materials. For teachers, this also gives you the ability to grade your formative and then have the grades be published to Schoology, which syncs automatically to PowerSchool. To assign the formative, first, you have to go inside your formative. You can do this by clicking on it and then selecting the Assign button. This list will show all of your Schoology courses. Select the course or courses that you would like to assign your formative to and click Assign. From here, you will go to Schoology, go into your course, select the folder, and then select Add Materials. From here, you can select Formative from the list, and then you can click on the formative that you would like to assign. If you cannot find your formative, you can search for it here. Once you click on it, you will notice this little arrow that means this is an external tool, but we still need to configure it. So if you select the settings gear and you click edit, these settings here, you can skip. Note here that this is worth 5 points. This is because it reads the point value right from formative. If you set your point value already in formative, you shouldn't have to change this. Next, you want to set your due date. I'll select the due date here and a time, select the category, and then select your grading period. This is a test environment, so your periods will be populated according to PowerSchool. If this is going to sync to PowerSchool, you want to make sure that Sync to Sys is checked off. Once you've reviewed everything, click Save Changes. Your formative has now been assigned to your class and is ready for students to take. While students are working on your formative, you can monitor their progress directly within Schoology. To do so, click on the formative and notice that it opens up a formative window directly in Schoology. If you click on responses, you can see what question the student is currently on. Once your students have completed the formative and you have graded everything, including free responses, the grades can be sent over to the gradebook where they will then be synced over to PowerSchool. To do this, click on the formative assignment, select options, and then click on Grade Passback. Select Pass Back grades to Schoology. Then you will select the class. And now notice that my student scored a 4 out of 5. Any student that has not completed the formative will be indicated underneath their name. Once you have finished checking off all of the grades that you wish to send over to the gradebook, click Send. Now, in green, this indicates that the score has been sent over to the gradebook. So now you can close this window and then click on Gradebook. Notice here, this is the formative assignment, this is my student, and here is his score. As long as you have your syncing set up to PowerSchool, this grade will automatically go to your PowerSchool gradebook.